Have you ever thought that camera movement can multiply the appeal of architectural animation? In this video, we show you the walkthrough technique for camera movement in the 3DsMax software. In general, camera movement in architectural animation not only contributes to aesthetics and realism, but also conveys additional information to viewers. Previously, in filming, the camera rail system, or the camera slider, was used to move the camera in the environment. But now, with the advent of stabilizers, gimbals, and other technologies, camera movement has become very easy, and the walkthrough technique in the environment has become more accessible and more popular than ever. So let's use this technique in architectural animation. Hi, welcome to MIMViz. It is enough to go to the animation section and then select Walkthrough Assistant. Here, there is a collection of settings and tools for the camera movements. But first, we need to create a line to assign it as the camera path. So I draw my line and set the vertices to Bezier mode, so that I can use the handles to get the result I want. Now I have a smooth and soft path. I go back to the Walkthrough Assistant tab, and I create a camera. For this technique, it is better to have a free camera, so that we have better control over it. Now it is enough to use the pick path to be able to choose our line. Easy as pie. Now the camera is moving in the path we created. But here is an important point. First of all, you need to determine the number of animation frames according to the time you want. I want a 15-second animation. If I set the frame per second to 30, so I have 450 frames. I go to time configuration and set end time to 450. Now, I go to the camera view. I can adjust the height of the camera from this section. And I can easily control the view angle of the camera in a walkthrough assistant. It is enough to adjust the viewing angle according to your opinion from the view control section. In the next section, you can adjust the field of view in your camera. All the tools you need are here. But for your camera to move smoothly, I recommend you turn off the constant speed option. But this is not the end of the story. You can use the keyframe for any of these settings. And that means I can change any of these settings while the camera is moving. So, let's do it. Now to animate the changes in the camera settings, I activate Auto Key and go back to the Walkthrough Assistant menu. I change the field of view at the end of the path to have an open angle. In addition, I need to change the turn head throughout the path. Now, in the end, let's watch the result together. This is great. If you have watched the video up to this point, then you value being professional. So, continue in your way and achieve great success, because you deserve it. But next, let's do something exciting. I create a new path. And through the Walkthrough Assistant menu, I set it as the new camera move path. Maybe it is better to see the height difference in this path. Now let's change the camera angle at the end of the path. With this, we can create a different and exciting effect in the animation. But to make it more interesting, we can set up the next camera like this, that the camera has an angle at the beginning of the path. Using this technique, you can create an exciting animation. You can use Walkthrough Assistant in your project. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video to support us. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next videos. Bye until the next video.